Good afternoon, it's me again, Inday Bedide. Welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button so updated ka sa mga lahat ng mga videos na mga gagawin natin. So, our topic for today, I'm going to discuss it's all about the subscribers. Yes, the subscribers. So guys, please, I know you know this. Guys. And I know you already read all the policies of YouTube. Guys, please. Example, if I upload one video or many videos and you comment, guys, please comment that fits on the video only. Don't leave any message that says, "Hi sister, I've already done subscribe to your channel, I've already hugged you, I've already kissed you, I've already sending love to you, I've already kicked you, I've already pinched you." Guys, please don't do that. Because instead of getting many subscribers, YouTube, when they check my channel, they're going to get more than you guys. More than. Guys, because it's not allowed, guys. It's not allowed to comment like that. It's like you begging as subscribers, Just leave a comment that fits on my video and it's automatically I'm going straight to your channel and I will do what you deserve. I'm not stupid, guys. Please, let's help each other. Don't comment any words that I already told you, guys. Don't do that. I am so happy because I'm on 500 subscribers, but it's supposed to be 530 something, but now it's 520 because when I check this, someone comment there, he's done subscribe, he's done hugging me, someone sending love, something like that, guys. So guys, I'm not mad, I'm just really disappointed because guys, as a vlogger, you must read the policy of YouTube. You know that, guys. So please, if you really want to be a vlogger, if you really want to collect more subscribers, please, let's help each other. Don't comment any word that I've already told. It's like then subscribes, then hugging you, then sending love to you, then kissing you, then kicking you, then pinching you. You know what I mean, guys. You feel it. I comment before one of the YouTuber and I says I've already hugged you and she's mad at me. So I'm so curious that I'll go to the policies of YouTube and there it comes. I read it. So now I understand. So please, guys, I know you understand what I'm talking about. So please don't comment like that. Just comment all about my video. Just comment that fits on my videos only, but don't leave any words that says something, subscribe, something like that. Just comment that fits on my video, okay, guys? And I go straight away to your channel. I will do what you deserve. Because I know if you say that, you already subscribed to me. Even you just say, it's a good video, it's a nice video. But please, guys, before you subscribe, please watch at least 3 minutes. So it's not gonna go to the trash. Because YouTube will put it in the trash. Even you already subscribed me, but you don't watch my video at least 1 minute, YouTube will put you to the trash and it's useless. Guys, please don't do that. Please, guys, I hope you understand what I feel now because guys, I am so blessed, I am so happy that I'm having now 500,000 of subscribers, but it's supposed to be 530 something like that or 535. But when I woke up, when I checked it, oh my god, it's 510, 500 something like that. And I'm so disappointed. Why they comment like that? And they already knows that saying subscribes is not allowed on the YouTube. Okay, guys? So please, I hope you understand, guys. please watch this and follow the instruction of YouTube if you really wanted to be a vlogger, guys. So I speak English because there are many foreigners, many mixed nationalities that watching on my videos. So please, guys, follow the instruction of YouTube. Follow the policy. So guys, thank you for watching. Before you leave this channel, please like, subscribe, and click the bell button para update tayo lahat sa mga videos na gagawin natin. So for today, I think I already made 3 videos, and I've got I don't know, 1,000 of viewers, 2,000 of viewers. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for supporting me. Until on my next vlog, see you on my next vlog, and bye bye, Inday Dudong. Bye bye.